going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Just out taking a walk, enjoying nature, despite the fact that it's 20 degrees colder than it was yesterday, and it feels like it.
I'm not laughing at you.
You're laughing with me, even though I'm not laughing.
No.
We went to our favorite smoothie bowl place. I got to try something that's secret, not on the menu yet. It was pretty great. Also ran some errands, went to Best Buy, checked out a camera that I'd like to get one day. I also checked out the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Not that special.
It's pretty great. I need
special.
one. I need one. It's amazing. I love it. It'll fix all my problems
My
in
iPhone
life.
11 will stay with me until I die. I say as I am now wearing these.
Yes. iPhone 11, but brand new AirPod
Maxes.
That looks cool. Look at that. But they're amazing. The noise cancellation is pretty great.
I'm a music nerd, and I go to the gym, and I also stream a little bit, so like music quality is important to me. Even I do also have Sony's. He has both, so don't come for me at the fact that, oh, Apple doesn't make the best air quality. They don't make the best freaking audio quality. I know, but it's still nice. You gotta admit that their noise canceling is really good.
It is. Their noise canceling is really good. They're great for taking phone calls and whatnot. And the spatial audio is also really cool. Kind of sounds like things are moving around your head when you're wearing them.
Yes.
Cat. Alright, so I'm just getting done the gym. It's currently, wow, I'm watching me, somewhere around 2 o'clock. And check out how empty the parking lot is. I don't think there's anyone here but the workers. Had a good workout. Obviously went a little lighter on the amount of exercises since I'm just getting back into working out. I'm just doing fewer exercises. I'm still doing full intensity, close to failure on just about everyone. But I'm doing fewer exercises for now. Don't mind my hair, it is absolutely insane. Just got out of the shower, didn't do anything to it, and I'm almost bald, so just don't look at it. Anyway, I'm still house sitting for my grandparents, so I have to go back. See you guys tomorrow. Something that I struggle with a lot, and I think probably a lot of you do as well, is I get upset when I look back and see how much time has passed and the amount of progress I've made in that time, right? Because I haven't been doing things perfectly. I'm not even close to perfectly. I've faced a ton of setbacks this year, and they're my own fault. I'm not making excuses necessarily for them, but it's very demotivating. It makes you feel worse, and for me, I know when I feel worse about the things that I've already done, it makes me do worse on the things that I still have to do, right? So I posted my first YouTube video on this channel about specifically relating to weight loss about 9 months ago, and I'm only down 16 pounds in this time, which is good. It's something, but it's not good for the amount of time. I mean, I didn't do the math, but that comes out to like less than 2 pounds a month. So realistically, 2 pounds a week even would have been so much better, and I know at my weight I can lose even more than that a week. So it's demotivating, right? I look at like 9 months and I look at 16 pounds and I feel kind of depressed about it. But what's important is how I respond to how I feel about it. Because in the past, a lot of times when I felt this way, I would kind of get into a spiral of sorts where I'd sort of like, well, there's such a small difference already. Like, why even try? Why, like, it doesn't make a difference. If I eat good tonight, it doesn't make a difference. And if I don't eat good tonight, reality, long term, it doesn't make a difference either. So, like, why not just give in to that temptation of having or whatever? And it's so important because I know that if I were to give into one thing, which I've done in the past, I'm going to give into more things because the exact same cycle is going to happen of, Well, I already gave into that one thing. What's one more thing? I already gave into those two things. What's one more thing? And then 9 months from now, I'll have barely lost any weight again. So I think that it's something I struggle with a lot, and it's something that I think is one of the most important things to learn when trying to make a change like this is to not let your emotions get in the way of what you need to do. Because if I can just look at those 9 months that passed and I can decide that it just makes it even more important that I start now, then that bodes well for the future of my weight loss and actually seeing progress 9 months from now. But if I let myself get caught up in my emotions about how much I wish I had lost and how much I haven't lost and just how I feel about the situation, it's going to ultimately lead me down a path of negativity. And I know I'm a stress eater personally. I just, it's been the way that I've dealt with stress for years, is just I eat. I get stressed out, I eat, and then I'm stressed out because I ate, so I eat some more. And it's a bad cycle, and I'm working on breaking it. And I just think that it's such an important thing to just work on not reacting to how you feel, but instead what you know you need to do. That is basically everything I wanted to talk about now.
If you're on a budget, Will Tennyson.
Next, we are gonna lightly beat 4 eggs, so it's gonna get a little bit rough, but don't you worry, we discussed our safe word.
It has a really good recipe for a egg muffin type, like egg bite recipe. It is delicious. We've made it probably about 5 times now.
They're great. It's got like a sausage pancake mix, cheese, eggs, obviously,
And an apple, believe it or not, an apple.
and an apple. That is crazy, and everyone always thinks it's weird at first, but when you try it, it's actually pretty great.
Super good.
Slight bit on the dry side. We're still trying to figure out how to get them to be just a little
Not
juicier.
this one.
But
This one was better.
this one was
He
better.
said bake for 20 to 25 minutes. 20 is better. I went 22 first, and it was too dry.
We're still trying to figure that out, but this one was better, and they're very delicious. Highly recommend you try them. For the starting weighing, we're looking at 363.8.